Hello everyone, welcome to English Listening and Speaking class with me, Miss Anjar. So today's lesson is about hortatory exposition text. So you might come up with some questions related to this topic. What is hortatory exposition text? So we'll be talking about this later and find out what kind of hortatory exposition text and the purpose of hortatory exposition text. What is it for? And the generic structure. How is the text structured? We'll be looking at these aspects later, and also you might come up with other questions related to the language features. What language features are commonly used in hortatory exposition text? And the examples. What are the types or examples of hortatory exposition text? Where you can find it? And you might also come up with this question. What makes it different from analytical exposition? Since you'll be learning two types of exposition. So let's have a look. Looking from the purpose, analytical exposition is to persuade the listeners or readers that the idea is important matter. Meanwhile, hortatory exposition is to persuade the listeners that something should or should not be the case. So moving on to the generic structure, analytical exposition and hortatory exposition share a slight difference in the last paragraph. In hortatory exposition, you should provide a recommendation. So now we move on to the language features. What language features are commonly used in hortatory expositions? What do you think? Okay, these are the language features that are commonly used when you read hortatory expositions. Emotive words, words that qualify statements, link arguments, using the present tense, modules, and pronouns. Now, what about the examples of hortatory exposition text? Where can we find this type of text in real life? Okay, let's find out. So it can be in the form of articles, like letters to editors, and also in spoken language or speech in this case. So let's have a look at the examples of hortatory exposition text that has been identified based on the structures, the text structure, and the language feature. You may pause this video. Alright, so by the end of the lessons, you are expected to deliver your speech, so be prepared. If you have any questions, drop me a message. Alright everyone, have a nice day. Goodbye.